So, you want to know about data privacy when using the Qualcomm AI Hub, whether your information is secure, and how you might check for and manage data uploads. I got you. Qualcomm typically outlines its data handling practices in its privacy policy and terms of service for the AI Hub, so review those documents carefully. For checking and managing uploads, examine the settings within the Hub software development kits or tools you use, as some may offer options to control telemetry or data sharing if applicable. For on-device AI development, which the Hub often supports, your data primarily stays local, unless you explicitly use cloud-connected features. To minimize unintended uploads, be mindful of the services you activate and regularly check Qualcomm developer resources for the latest privacy information and configuration guidance. And that's it.